From the ashes, rise, a journey through resilience and renewal. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful and inspiring phrase, from the ashes, rise. This expression is not only poetic but carries deep meaning and historical significance. It's a testament to resilience, rebirth, and the incredible capacity for renewal that lies within us all. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how it can inspire us in our daily lives and language learning journey. From the ashes, rise, is a phrase that evokes the image of a phoenix, a mythical bird that is said to regenerate or be reborn from its own ashes after dying in a show of flames. This idea of rising from the ashes is associated with overcoming adversity, emerging stronger from defeat or destruction, and the cycle of death and rebirth. It symbolizes hope, resilience, and renewal. To truly appreciate from the ashes, rise, it's important to break down its components. From the ashes implies a starting point at one's lowest, having faced a great loss or failure. Rise suggests an upward movement or a comeback, indicating recovery, improvement, or reaching a higher state than before. Together, these elements form a powerful message. Out of difficulty or destruction, one can emerge victorious and renewed. This phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically in English. While its origins are deeply rooted in mythology, from the ashes, rise, has found its way into everyday language to describe personal transformation after a difficult period, the resurgence of a company or team after a significant setback, the rebuilding of communities after disasters. It serves as a reminder that there is always potential for growth and renewal after hardship. Throughout history, there have been countless examples of individuals, communities, and nations embodying the spirit of from the ashes, rise. These stories range from personal tales of overcoming adversity to global narratives of rebuilding after war or natural disasters. By examining these examples, we can find motivation and understand that resilience is a universally valued trait. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of From the Ashes, Rise. It's a beautiful reminder that no matter the challenges we face, there is always a path forward towards renewal and strength. May this phrase inspire you in your English language learning journey and in life, reminding you of the resilience and potential for renewal that lies within us all. See you in the next video.